Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we got a big stash ad. We got a good size stash ad tonight. So a friend of mine, a gentleman I knew for a while, he ended up passing away. He was an elderly guy. He ended up with some complications, and so I went and talked to his wife tonight. His brother come and see me today and letting me know that they're liquidating some of the stuff in the house and getting rid of stuff, and they knew I bought a bunch of models from him a while back and might be interested in some of the other stuff he had. And so we went over there tonight, and I told her we will be back next weekend and kind of square up with the rest of the stuff that we were looking at and kind of go from there. So other than that, the guy was a great builder, and he had so many cool kits and different things over there. Just unbelievable. I mean, just all kinds of Hot Wheels stuff and just all kinds of cool stuff. I mean, just it was like a toy land for me, just like, it's like Candyland. You know, I was like, wow, this guy had some cool stuff. A lot of old stuff. That was the cool thing about it. But anyways, I'll go through and show you guys what we picked up tonight and kind of run through it quick. Pretty unique pile of stuff we got here tonight, so a little different. So let's go through it and see what we got. Okay, first off, we got, and half of these are sealed, half of these are not, which I'm totally okay with that. We got this 70 Mustang Boss 302, this 124 scale by Monogram, so this is a very cool kit. I've had this kit years ago, and I don't know what happened to it. It got destroyed, you know, one of those things built as a kid. So we grabbed that one. I thought that'd be a pretty cool kit. We picked up the Hot Rod 69 Mustang Super Cobra Jet. This is also a really nice kit. I have one here that's open, but the decals are just euchred in this thing, and he had a couple of those over there, and I grabbed one of them. Went from there, so I thought that was a pretty nice kit. Let's see what else we got here. Another Mustang. This guy was a big Ford guy, and but he had a little bit of everything over there, but mostly he was a big Mustang guy. So we picked this one up here. This is the 93. This is like kind of the 2-in-1 kit. So this is a pretty cool builder here as well. So we figured we'd grab that one. Another Motor City Muscle by Revell. Let's see here. So this was a unique kit. I wasn't going to grab it, but I thought, I'm an EXP fan, and I have a couple EXP models here, but he had the Allen 7 Sport Coupe. This is a 1/32 scale Monogram kit, and this is still in the plastic. Really cool. He actually has 2 of these at his house. They're bad shape, but I thought, man, those are a few years newer looking. Oh, I'd been all over that. He had a nice red EXP there, though. Oh, the memories. Wow. That's unbelievable. As I dropped it on the floor unexpectedly. That's how that goes. So next up, we got another Mustang. This is the Mustang SVT Cobra Convertible Monogram kit. This is actually a nice kit. This builds up very well. So pretty cool looking kit. So we thought we'd snag that one. It's a nice monogram. Still sealed up. So let's see. We got another Mustang here. We'll dig through the bottom pile here for it. Yeah, so we got this guy here. This is another 93 Cobra. So I have one of these up on the shelf, but once again, another great building kit. I know these are getting a little harder to find nowadays, but they're still out there. So he paid $8 for this back in the day, wherever it come from. And yeah, so still got the sticker on it. So very cool. So we're getting into some more unique kits here, some a little different. So first off, we got the Revell Sox and Martin GTX. This is a pretty cool kit. Yeah, so I thought that'd be a neat one to pick up. I'm sure the decals, that's still sealed, so who knows? They may be in shape, but I know you can buy these online pretty easy. A lot of places have them, so I thought that was a pretty nice looking kit. Another one we picked up, we actually got 2 of these. I can't remember, I can't say I've ever seen these before. 71 Comet by Testers. So this is a Skill 2 kit, so it doesn't feel like there's a lot of parts in it, so I'm guessing it's kind of an easy builder. But wouldn't matter either way. Just it looks like it'd be a really cool kit to build just as the car itself, you know. So I picked up 2 of these. This one's a little sun faded, the box on this one. And yeah, so we picked that one up as well. Like I say, there are some old tester kits. I don't ever remember seeing these kits. So I saw those. Oh, those are kind of cool looking. So we got those two guys. We got a few left here. Next one we got, this one here is the old Bobby Allison 75 AMC Matador. This one's still sealed as well. Older NASCAR kit. Pretty cool. So I figured we'd grab that one. I thought that was kind of a neat looking car. I was looking for an AMX, but he didn't have one over there. Another one we picked up here. This is the Airfix Pantera GTS. So this is a cool kit. I saw you had this there before, and I kind of passed on it last time I looked at it, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to grab that because that's a unique kit. It's still, I think this one's still, let's see. Yeah, it's still, some of it's mostly in the plastic yet, but the body's out. There's not a lot of parts to it, but it's a very nice looking detailed kit. The body's really straight and clean on it, so it's a pretty cool deal. So that'd be a neat little builder. And believe it or not, the decals actually look pretty good in it yet, so that's kind of shocking. We got another one here. I thought this was a cool kit. We got this is an Academy kit, a mini craft, and it's motorized. This is 1/25th scale Ford Capri RS 3100. Check that guy out. I thought, dude, that's kind of cool looking. Not a lot of parts in it, but like I say, it is motorized. It's one of those motorized kits, but you could build it either way as a regular model kit or the motorized deal. So I thought that was really cool. We got a couple other ones here. This one here I thought was really neat. The old pulling tractor, the AMT. Check that guy out. I thought, how cool is that? I'm guessing at one time this was somebody's Christmas present, looking at this on the back. So somebody had a Merry Christmas one year and got the old pulling tractor. So I didn't realize it comes with a bunch of tools and gas cans and all kinds of cool accessories. This is still in the plastic. It's open, but it's all in the plastic yet. So I thought that'd be a really neat kit. And the last kit we got, I had to save this last because it was huge. And I've been wanting one of these for a while. I don't know if I can get this up here or not. I think I probably can. Move my coffee cup amidst my mess here. This is the AMT Clydesdale set. The Budweiser Clydesdale set. So very cool. It's all there. Most of it's still in the plastic, just sitting in the box. So all the horse and its men are there. I always wanted this kit. I thought it'd be a really cool builder, and I thought this would be really neat. So he mentioned this to me a while back. He had it, and he just never come around to bring it to me or to show it to me. And I asked his wife about it, and she says, "Yep, it's here somewhere. I saw it." And I said, "Well, if we can find it, I'll take it." So I was pretty happy to grab that. So other than that, guys, I thought that was a pretty cool stash ad. I like that I know that I'm probably going to do something with them. You know, a lot of times you go to these places, people that are, you know, the family selling out kits, and they don't know much about them, and they just, to them, it doesn't really mean a lot, you know, and it's, I'm glad that I could personally take them off their hands, and knowing I'm probably going to do something with them. You know, I'm not a big reseller or anything like that. When I get something I plan on someday, I will build it, or I'd like to build it, to go that route. So I'm just happy to take them, and knowing they'll probably have a good home and all that good stuff. So once again, guys, that's what we got for the additions in the shop here. So I'm gonna have to start moving things to the other room in the house, because I just don't have the room out here. We're stretching out to the end. So maybe I have to build some shelves in the ceiling or something. I'm not sure. Maybe some pop down things. I don't know. We'll figure something else. We'll figure out something. We'll get something. But other than that, guys, that's what we got. So you guys have a good one, and we will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.